food is such an important key and has been scientifically shown to improve overall endocrine function, which ultimately makes you have happier, healthier, more balanced hormones. This is something I get so excited about because women often feel like their hormones are working against them, but really your hormones can work for you, especially if you learn how to use food to partner with the different changes of your hormonal cycle and to make those hormones work healthier and better instead of more symptomatic. So food is such an important key and has been scientifically shown to improve overall endocrine function, which ultimately makes you have happier, healthier, more balanced hormones. My favorite foods for hormonal balance include foods that are high in fiber, so things like flax seeds or even whole grain breads are great. And certainly whole grains are excellent. Lots of dark leafy greens for the calcium and magnesium and the fiber, and also healthy fats like avocado and salmon. These three types of food substances really keep the brain, the intestines, and the liver all working well together to make sure that your hormones are both at optimal levels, but also clearing out of your body, breaking down and getting out of the system as quickly as possible. Because estrogen and all of these other hormones are wonderful and they do great things for us. They keep our skin young, they keep our hair glowing, but it's really, if there's too much of those hormones in the body at any given time, it actually can have sort of like a double-edged sword. It can actually start to give negative symptoms. So we really want to eat foods that keep things moving and keep the hormones happy and balanced.